How to fix Instagram enable to use effects on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram enable to use effects on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just check if there is any update here, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, battery. Now make sure your power saving mode is disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that, then just disable it. And now restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android phone, go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.